Unleash your inner Spielberg with the HOVERAir X1 Pro. Ready to take your action shots and travel footage to the next level? The HOVERair X1 Pro is here to revolutionize how you capture your adventures. Imagine crystal clear 4K video at 60 FPS, bringing your adventures to life. Whether you're scaling mountains or riding waves, the HOVERair X1 Pro captures every detail with cinematic quality. Get ready to relive your most unforgettable moments in stunning clarity. Ditch the controller and embrace hands-free filming. With a simple click or voice command, the HOVERair X1 Pro takes off from your hand. Its fully automated flight modes let you focus on the action while it handles the filming. Snow, water, cliffs. No terrain is off limits. The innovative omni-terrain technology lets you capture stunning scenery wherever your adventures take you. With over 10 flight modes, including hover, zoom out, and follow, the possibilities are endless. Keep up with the action. The HOVERair X1 Pro boasts an upgraded aerodynamic design, reaching follow speeds of up to 42 km/h. Its enhanced chip and tracking algorithm ensure you stay centered in the frame, even during high-speed activities like cycling or skiing. Enjoy peace of mind with advanced rear TOF proximity sensors. The HOVERair X1 Pro brakes before collisions, ensuring safer tracking in complex environments. This feature provides an extra layer of security for worry-free filming. Take your drone anywhere. The foldable design ensures portability, while the aerospace-grade HEM propeller guards offer superior safety and durability. It's the perfect companion for any adventure, big or small. Customize your flight modes, download content, and more with the HOVERair X1 app. With 32 GB of internal storage and support for up to 1 TB SD cards, you'll have plenty of space for all your epic footage. Ready to elevate your content creation? Visit the Amazon product page for the HOVERair X1 Pro and unleash your inner Spielberg. Don't miss out on capturing breathtaking action shots and travel footage. Click the link and order yours today.